Hi friends, welcome to Anitha Cooking Time. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, and please do check my last video for entering the giveaway. And if you want to take part in the giveaway, please do follow these 5 rules, and please check the last video also, so that you will be clear what are the giveaway gifts and all. So please do participate. And guys, coming back to today's video, today I am showing you Kobbari Boorelu recipe, that is coconut puri kind of a recipe. To begin with, here I am taking half kg of jaggery, which is sweet. Don't use sugar in this recipe, please use jaggery only. To this I am adding 1 glass of water and allowing to get boiled completely. It should melt and get into a boiled state. See, at this point of time I am checking with the hands, a thin string has to be formed. Then our syrup is ready. Now I am adding 1 cup of coconut grated. It's a raw coconut, it's not dried, and mix it completely for 2 to 3 minutes. Then now add rice flour. Mixing, while adding rice flour, please stir it so that there will be no lumps. Stir it completely, slowly by adding the rice flour. Around 1 kg of rice flour